What's up guys, you're watching The Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NW-102417-5. The connection to the network has timed out. It's a network error, simply your network slow or internet slow, internet not working from the provider or the servers. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. Then you go to the settings, here the user and accounts and a network. You must check the server. If the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. If you get here the red option, then server is not working. You just wait so it will fix this up automatically. If working, then you just go to the advanced setting, frequency, set it, and manually DNS settings, change it, which one is working good in your country, and MTU setting 1500, and you do the wired LAN also, the same settings in the Wi-Fi and the wired LAN. And you must connect the wired LAN from router to PlayStation 5. It will be good, you will get the better speed. And look at that, here is the same settings you do it. So simply, that's how you can do it and fix the internet connection sometimes. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box and catch you later.